HeyGen released Avatar 5 only a few days ago, and the things that you can do with this model now is incredible. You can put yourself in pretty much any environment and situation and animate yourself and get lip sync that looks exactly as you do. This is, in my opinion, a game changer. HeyGen offers the ability of creating an avatar from an image. So you can go into avatars, design with the AI, choose an image, a base image. It could be from a video that you record or from an image that you upload. You can choose either one, or you can create like a LoRa, okay? Now, in my opinion, for this kind of work, which is talking to camera, I don't think you need a LoRa. I'm gonna give you the best way to do this, which is not what HeyGen recommends. And I'm gonna choose this image. And the way HeyGen promotes this is you browse these templates, okay? Whether you are in the healthcare, whether you're in the vlogging or pretty much any environment, they have tons of them. Some of them are really, really good. And the theory is, which is actually very nice if it works well, is that you click Remix tool and automatically HeyGen is gonna take this image and it's gonna place it in that environment, okay? Now, let me tell you one thing. I don't know what model they use, but it's not quite right. Now, if you've never seen me before and you've never seen any of my videos, you will be like, well, okay, he looks similar to him, you know, and then you have this one that looks different than the previous one, and this one looks different than every other one, and then you have this one that, again, is 90% me, but it's not me. That's me. It looks like me 85%, but it's not me. Okay, and that's the important thing, that you are never gonna get the right look. You do have the ability to prompt. I'm just gonna generate the looks. Okay, so this is just prompting. So these are the images from HeyGen, and as you can clearly see, the quality is not that great. I mean, that's the closest, but look, the background looks terrible. I mean, that doesn't scream high-end quality to me. That screams like someone just put a camera against a window there and you're recording. Now, that might be the look that you want. The first thing that you need to do is to create an avatar. The way HeyGen advertises Avatar 5 is that you can do with just 15 seconds of yourself talking to the webcam on your laptop or whatever device that you are doing this through. Let me tell you one thing. It doesn't matter how much they market it, okay? 15 seconds is not enough to get the essence of yourself. It's just not enough. Obviously, it's a marketing gimmick. They want people to feel that they don't have to be talking for 2 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, or however long. But if you have a recording uninterrupted for 2, 3, 4 minutes, trust me when I tell you that is still the best way, and in my opinion, the only way to do this. So all those recordings that you did when you were doing Avatar 3 and Avatar 4, they come super handy now. Now again, if you want to do the 15 seconds, which I did, it's very simple. You open the camera, you allow it, and then you record 15 seconds talking to camera. I recommend that you do something that is from the waist up. You might need to move backwards a little bit, and then you record that, and then it takes you to another screen where you can record the sound or import the sound. I genuinely recommend that you record the sound with a good microphone and a good recorder externally and then bring it in. What I recommend is 2 things. Get yourself an 11 Labs account and clone your voice through there and do any text-to-speech through there. Export it and bring it into HeyGen. Okay, that is gonna give you much better quality than anything that HeyGen does internally. Or my favorite one, which is the one that I do, is I record whatever I have to say on a recorder. That way it sounds like me with my intonation, my pace, the nuances of my accent, my expressiveness. That's something that to replicate, whether it's 11 Labs or any other software, it's gonna be very, very hard because every single day, every single minute, we have different intonations. We react differently to things, and these platforms they are based in patterns. Now, for this particular example, I went to 11 Labs and I just did a very simple text, okay? And I did a few runs until eventually I was happy. You are never gonna get this spot on, but if you have a good clone voice in 11 Labs, eventually you're gonna get it right. The next thing is the images. And I've done a fair bit of testing, as you can clearly see here. And there are two ways to go about this. You can go to ChatGPT and ask it, I want an image of myself on a background, and then you refine the prompt as you realize what ChatGPT is. I said to him, don't give me black, don't give me white, and don't give me jumpers that make me look like I'm 60. You ask ChatGPT to tell Nano Banana Pro, you can change the background, but you leave the subject exactly as is. You need to make sure that you put this in your prompting. Replace only the background of the provided image while preserving the subject exactly as is. And as you can clearly see, that's me, that's the pose, and that's the original image. As you can see, it's exactly the same. So that's the best way to get character consistency with Nano Banana Pro, because otherwise Nano Banana Pro is gonna be changing. Okay, look, that's not me. Definitely, that's me, that's not me. Looks like me, but it's not quite me. The same there, the same there, the same there. I mean, I guess you could, maybe the angle, that could pass. As you can clearly see, if you ask ChatGPT, give me an image of me wearing some casual clothing, it's gonna give you casual clothing that makes you look like you are in your 70s, okay? And obviously it's never gonna look that great. I mean, as you can clearly see here, that's not me, that's not me. I mean, it looks like me, but it's not quite me. Nano Banana Pro 2, whatever Nano Banana version, they're not 100% consistent, okay? And this is Grok, again, that looks terrible. That looks, oh my God, that looks so terrible. Back to Nano Banana. So as you can clearly see, the consistency is not there. However, look at what happens when you use Kling 01, the model, okay? The background doesn't look great, but the character is bang on, okay? That's me. That face is me, okay? It's changed my position. The background is not good, but that's me, okay? That's me. That's totally 100% me. And I can tell which one is Kling because of the quality of the background, okay? That's Kling 01. There you go, Kling 01. The background looks terrible, but look at the quality of the character consistency, okay? That is absolutely spot on, okay? That's Reef, terrible. That's Kling 01. Again, that's me, okay? Wearing a jumper, yeah? Again, that's 100% me, wearing a jumper. Again, that's me, wearing a jumper. The quality of the character consistency that you get with Kling 01 is amazing. The backgrounds from the start, they're not gonna look as nice and refined as with Nano Banana Pro, but all you need to do is just design a background and then just superimpose it behind it, and it's gonna look absolutely amazing. And you can do that again with either Kling 01 or Nano Banana Pro. And I'm gonna be leaving all the prompts in a link down in the comments if you want to download them and play around with them, because this is gonna make a massive difference. But essentially, the gist of it is you have image 1 and you have image 2, which is this jumper. I want to put this jumper onto this image and give me whatever background. I know that the background is not gonna be great, but it's gonna put the clothing onto the image and the character is gonna be spot on, okay? Now, what you do with this image is you then download it. You can then ask ChatGPT or Nano Banana, give me a background of your choice. It could be this one, okay? You create a blank background. It's gonna take you seconds to do this, okay? You can do many renders, and then you can either use Nano Banana Pro or Kling, and then you basically say, I want you to replace the background in the second image with the first image. This is Kling 01. So you first do a pass for yourself and whatever clothing you want to wear, and then you do the background. I went online, I found this top. I like that top. Well, I wouldn't say that I'm too thrilled about it, but it's okay. So I again went to Kling And I said, I want you to replace the background in the second image with the first image, with this one, okay? And then put the top from the third image onto the second one. And I got these images, okay? I like that one. That's that, you know, if you look at the character, that's me. Obviously, the lighting is different here, okay? So now what you can do is, if you have Photoshop, you load this image, okay? So you can clearly see that this is the wrong lighting compared to the background, but you have a very easy fix. You select that, okay? Now you go, you select the character. You can add the table if you want to it, okay? And then you copy and paste it, okay? So this is what you've got, yeah? I wouldn't worry too much about the shadows, okay? And now you go into filter, neural filters, harmonization. You choose the layer, bam, that's it, done. You're ready to export. So which image you think looks better, that one or that one? We're gonna go back to HeyGen. You can access the Avatar Studio directly that way, or you can just go into Avatar Studio. Now here, what I recommend is that you upload the audio. I just bring it in. This is the really important aspect, okay? Here, you're gonna have your 15-second upload and 2 long videos. Now, to get access to these 2 videos, if you rely on the avatars that you have for Avatar 3 and Avatar 4, all of these videos that they are 5, 6, 7 minutes, they're not gonna populate that screen, okay? What you need to do is you need to go into this section, create the new avatar, and upload the video, okay? You need to upload the video. So you can go back to those original files and re-upload them. When you do that, HeyGen now is gonna put them in the library for using with Avatar 5, because Avatar 5 now is the default model. So that's the image, the base image that I'm gonna use. Now, the important thing is that you come here, now you're gonna see those 2 or 3 or however many videos that you re-imported, okay? Now, there are 2 different ways to go about this. You can use the 15-second base avatar that HeyGen recommends that you do, talking to camera, and HeyGen is then gonna animate the resulting avatar based on the motion of those 15 seconds. But you can also select the 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 4-minute video, and that's gonna give you a much better quality. This is a simple test to see how much better Avatar 5 is compared to Avatar 4. Nothing fancy, just myself talking to camera in a nice studio setup. All AI generated. Is Avatar 5 as good as the marketing behind it? That's good. I'll be honest with you, that looks really good, but it kind of feels a little bit mechanical. This is a simple test to see how much better Avatar 5 is compared to Avatar 4. Nothing fancy, just myself talking to camera in a nice studio setup. All AI generated. Is Avatar 5 as good as the marketing behind it? Let me just do a video with this image. This is a simple test to see how much better Avatar 5 is compared to Avatar 4. Nothing fancy, just myself talking to camera in a nice studio setup. That's good, but this is the 2-minute one. This is a simple test to see how much better Avatar 5 is compared to Avatar 4. Nothing fancy, just myself talking to camera in a nice studio setup. All AI generated. I want you to pay attention to the expressiveness, okay? This is a simple test to see how much better Avatar 5 is compared to Avatar 4. Nothing fancy, just myself talking to camera in a nice studio setup. All AI generated. Is Avatar 5 as good as the marketing behind it? This is a simple test to see how much better Avatar 5 is compared to Avatar 4. Nothing fancy, just myself talking to camera in a nice studio setup. All AI generated. Is Avatar 5 as good as the marketing behind it? Can you see how much more natural the video generated from the longer videos are compared to the 15-second video? Now, the 15-second video looks really good, and in many situations, it might be all you need. But if you want the absolute best, go for the 2-minute. And I want you to think about what this opens in terms of opportunities, because you can now have yourself in any environment that you could possibly think of. I chose those, but you could be out in the streets, in some palace, in some monument like a Taj Mahal or at the top of the Empire State. I don't know. Just your imagination is the limit. This is something that you couldn't do with Avatar 4 before. These are Avatar 4 videos. They look great, but I can only do them based on the studio, on the background that I have, on the videos that I had uploaded originally. Whereas now you can bring any image and then apply the motion to that image so that it's gonna look and move 95% like you. It's never gonna look exactly like you, but it's gonna look so good that most people are never gonna be able to tell the difference. I have a couple of other ones. Look, this one looks absolutely amazing. And this was with Nano Banana Pro, but because I prompted replace only the background of the original image while preserving the subject exactly as is. So if you have an image of yourself that you're happy with, that's how you can do. You can create any background, just keep everything as is, and it's gonna look absolutely amazing. But if you want to change the clothing, maybe change the pose, show the hands, I recommend that you first do Clean 01 and then either refine and add the background with Nano Banana Pro or Clean 01 again, as I've showed you. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you plan to use. By the way, pricing is exactly the same as with Avatar 4. Nothing has changed in that regard. I wish they would give more credits, but at least they're not charging more. And I hope that you found this video helpful, that you liked it, and I will see you in the next one.